My first Photoshop tutorial. Yes guys, you heard it right. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into the world of Photoshop. And one important thing I would like to share with you guys, this is not a tutorial of any picture. This is the tutorial of some techniques which I use mostly in my photos. So let's get started. Welcome into my world of Photoshop guys. As you can see, this is my photo and we will do a lot of things here. So firstly I will tell you the three important things which I mostly do in my photos, and this is the post processing things. I have edited almost everything on this picture, and let's start this video. If you are intermediate level Photoshop user or a beginner, you must have heard it about blend if option, but guys, you have not seen any of the uses of blend if in your normal retouching pictures. You have seen on some like dodge and burn techniques. So let me tell you one important thing which you can do in your photos. So make a new layer, empty layer, which you can make by here. Then you have to go to brush tool, paint brush tool. So firstly we will target the sky. What I would like to do is that we will target our sky areas and bloom it out with white color or something like goldenish white. It depends upon the your picture, because if in this picture the sky is almost white, and if you are clicking your picture in something like golden hour or early morning, then it will be of course of golden color. So choose the color from here. So if I choose white, click on OK, and then make the size of brush larger and just paint it. Make the opacity and flow 100. So paint it like this. After painting guys, you have to go to the layers option and you have to double click on the layer which you have painted, and something like this open up a dialog box. So you have to go to blend if option and choose always gray color. When you are doing this technique, choose the gray color, and from underlying layer put the slider to white, just like this. And then after that, as you can see in the picture, it is very sharp, so we have to smooth it. So we will press alt key from the keyboard and choose one side of the slider and just take it away. So this is the before and this is the after. This small thing will bring drastic changes in your photos if you have large sky on your portrait. I have used in on my a lot of pictures like this, and we can make our sky look very awesome. If you want to drag it like this, you can also do this. It's just depends upon you. So this is one of my secret I used on my pictures on sky to make it look bloomy. And also one thing you can do is change the blending layer to screen, so that will look more awesome. So let's start. The second thing which I would like to tell you guys, make a new empty layer. If you have any roads like this or clothes and you want to make some definition on it, or you have to put some texture on it, what you have to do just is take the soft brush and with white color just paint like this. Firstly we will do this on road. We will make some definitions, we can make some details on road. So we have to paint like this. Avoid painting it on your clothes area, so we will erase it. Then go to eraser and erase from your clothes area like this. Okay, done. Then go to blend if option, double click on your layer and go to blend if option, click on the underlying layer option, and then just drag it from black to white. Okay, and then smoothen it like this. So it brings drastic details to your road or something like your grasses. You can use on this trees and something like that, and then just change the blending mode of the layer to overlay. So you can control the opacity and fill, so this looks awesome in your pictures. So you can do this multiple times, 2 or 3 times for different parts of your pictures. So and also you can do the same for your clothes. Make an empty layer, and if you want to darken it, you can give some dark definition, and if you want to bright it, just paint on bright areas and use the blend if option like this. Go to blend if and just put the slider like this, and yeah, that's it, and smoothen it like this. And you can change the blending mode to overlay so it looks very real. So this thing you can do on your pictures, so I probably think that this is the must thing you have to do with your pictures. And if you want to darken something like this, then just take the dark color, make the size bigger and just paint like this. We mostly do this for rims on our photos, rims on your visual photos, but you can also do this in your normal retouching pictures and it will make some drastic changes. And nobody is doing currently in India, nobody uses this type of techniques, so that's why I'm sharing this. So you can make it like that, then change the blending mode to soft light or overlay. You can control the opacity from here like this. So this creates an amazing effect on your photo, and if you would like to learn more and more things about it, you can purchase my Photoshop course. It is of almost 13 plus hours, but yeah, it's in Hindi language and I'm making this tutorial in English so that everyone can understood it. So that's it guys, this is an important video because in post processing most of the people doesn't do. And let me just make a group of these layers which I have used, and this is the before and this is the after some drastic changes in your photo. You can also make the road look darker. Make a new layer, just take the black color and paint on it like this, like this. Avoid painting on white areas like which we have used currently before. So just go to blend if and you have to take the slider from white to black, so like this and just like that. Okay, done. Click on OK and you can change the opacity like this. So that's it for the video guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, you have learned something new. Please implement on your photos and do tag me on Instagram. Let's meet in new video. Do comment what you have to learn on mobile editing because I cannot post Photoshop tutorials regularly. So see you soon, bye bye.